Hello there everyone, my name is Lewis Wheelhouse and today's date is Wednesday the 3rd of August 2015 and well, 2016. That's the first time I've done that this year. Mistaken me, it's 2016 not 2015 Lewis, get it right. Hello there everyone, my name is Lewis Wheelhouse and today's date is Wednesday the 3rd of August 2016 and welcome to another edition of Lewis's Vlog. Run those titles! Good morning, oh my god the camera's moving. Good morning everyone, my name is Lewis Wheelhouse and today's date is Wednesday the 3rd of August, oh my god. Good morning everyone, my name is Lewis Wheelhouse and today's date is Wednesday the 3rd of August 2016 and the time is now 10 to 11 and today we are off to Ikea and you guys might be asking yourself why. Here is why. So we're off to Ikea today because I bought these two posters, these two little bad boys from the Doctor Who experience in Wales, and I want to put them in a frame and I want to get some A4 frames for my posters and my certificates. So yeah, we're off to Ikea to go and get some certificates, to get some frames for that. So without further ado, let's go. Cue montage. Right, okay, so we've just come out of Ikea. I've got two massive frames and some other bits and bobs. So we're off home now to put the frames into the office. So without further ado, let's go. first we're off to Toys R Us. Yay!
Right, come on, Lewis, move your fat backside out of way. Come on.
I heard that. Oh! That was up my backside. Here we are. Toys R Us. The place where dreams are made. The Doctor Who section used to be there. Right, I'm off straight to the Doctor Who segment. I know where that is.
That looks like you, Louis.
Oh, thanks. Minion. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Actually, to be honest with you, I don't know which one it is. It should be in this one. Oh my god, oh no, it's here. There we are. The Doctor Who section. I definitely need one of them TARDIS money boxes. I've got loads of TARDISes at home from the David Tennant, Christopher Eccleston ones. Definitely need one of these. Now this guy is my childhood. It's Elmo. Also, this guy is my childhood, but they've gone ahead and renewed him and made him look younger. I mean, look at that. You know, it's noddy, but it's been replaced by a child. Also, these the clangers who used to watch that. Mr. Tumblr. Hello, hello. How are you? Hello, hello.
Eventually.
How do you start it? Oh, that.
It don't work. Okay, so we just come out of Toys R Us. I've got a massive, well not massive, I've got a TARDIS money box. I'll be using that and I'm going to put a shelf in my garage, and I've got a load of TARDISes from Christopher Eccleston, David Tennant, Matt Smith. Matt Smith and Peter Capaldi have the same TARDIS, but the same exterior anyway. But anyway, I've got a load of TARDISes and I'm going to put them all up on a shelf in the garage. So I've got the latest one from Toys R Us. You know, I bet people think I'm talking to myself. There's a man now in front of me. He's looking straight at me thinking, what the hell is he doing? Now I'm going to continue talking as if I hadn't noticed that he's looking at me. But I do know he's looking at me because I can see from my eye. Weirdo. Now, about 5 minutes ago, kids and all that left me. We only went in to go and get a brochure, but it's turned into a full-on shopping spree. Unbelievable.
2 hours later.
Still waiting. How long does it take to get a brochure?
6 hours later. Eventually.
Absolutely ages. How long does it take you to get a bleeding brochure?
As long as it takes you to walk around like here.
Don't take me that long. Oh no. What's that?
I know, that's the plastic. We forgot to take something off it.
We forgot to take the bleeding plastic off! Ah!
Later. 3 weeks later.
No, joking aside, it has literally been over 3 weeks later since recording that vlog. Today's date is Sunday, the 28th of August 2016. And the reason why is not because I am being lazy, no way Jose. No, I'm only kidding. The only reason why I didn't record the ending was because when I did actually come to recording it on the day of the vlog, I actually thought I got it all in the can, but what I didn't know is that the SD card ran out while I was presenting, and, you know, I thought that I had it all done. So hence why I'm recording this over 3 weeks later on my laptop as I'm editing this vlog. Yeah, I've just finished editing what you've just watched, and now I'm recording this message because I've just realised that the ending just... So anyway, that wraps up today's vlog, and if you want to see the posters in the office, make sure to watch the studio project, which is coming out in September, and you'll be able to watch it in episode 4, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up. Let me know what you think of it down in the comment section right down there below. And last of all, remember to subscribe. Stay awesome, smile more, keep positive, and I'll catch you in my next video. Adios amigos!